Oh, you
swim.
study. Okay, what did you study all about?
Is English.
Oh, English. All right. So, aside from you study today, what else did you do? Okay, what else did you do today, baby Min? Oh, my life.
Uh,
Okay, wait. Okay, aside from that, what else did you do today?
uh,
Did you play with your friends today? Or maybe did you went to swimming or
I
play soccer, football,
I
badminton?
I swimming.
Ah, you did swimming. Okay. All right. So now, baby Mian, by the way, did you eat already?
Yes.
Okay. What did you eat for tonight?
Is dogs and
What?
rice.
What's that?
Is dogs
What is that?
and rice.
Ah, okay. And rice. Okay. So now, are you ready to start with our class?
Yes.
Okay. So teacher will be sharing you the screen. And can you see my screen right now?
No.
No? How about that one? Can you see it already? Kuha, tinagong.
Okay.
Okay, so our lesson for tonight, ayun na ilabay, is all about lesson 31. When do you wake up? Okay, so now how about you, baby Min? When do you wake up?
It's 7:13.
Oh, you wake up at 7:30?
Yes.
Okay, very good. At least you wake up at least a little bit early. Okay, so now we have the learning objective. So we are done with this one with the in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Oh, we're done with this one. I am so sorry. I forgot. So we should take the lesson 32. So lesson 32 is all about what do you have for breakfast? Okay, so how about you, baby Min? What do you have for breakfast?
I eat bread.
Oh, bread? Bread only?
Yes.
What else aside from the bread? Only bread?
Bread, cheese.
Tea? Do you also drink tea? Oh, don't drink a lot of tea because that's not good for you, okay? You are still young. Okay, baby?
Okay.
All right, so now let's proceed. So first we have the learning objectives. So in this lesson, you will learn how to talk about the food and meals. Okay, so first exercise 1, warm up. Listen and repeat these words with your tutor. So first we have, okay, what
Toast.
is this? Toast.
Toast.
Okay, toast. Okay, how about the next one? What is it?
Cereal.
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 Okay, one more time. Cereal.
Cereal.
Okay, next.
Fruit.
Fruit. Okay. Baby, what's your favorite fruit?
Is Nana.
Banana. Why do you like banana?
Good is delicious.
Oh, it's delicious. So now next, what is this one?
Why? Why?
It's a,
Rice.
okay, it's a rice. Next,
Salad.
okay, what is that?
Salad. Salad.
Okay, it is a salad. Okay, how about this one? What is this?
Sandwich.
Okay, sandwiches, because it's a lot. Okay, can you say it again?
San
Sandwiches.
sandwiches.
Okay, how about this one next?
Vegetable.
All right, it's vegetables. Next.
Peanut? I don't know what's that.
Okay, what is that, baby? Next one is,
Fish.
okay, it's a fish. Okay,
Fish.
next.
Orange juice.
My kid?
Okay, orange juice. Next.
Coffee.
Tea.
Okay, it's a tea. Next. After
Coffee.
tea, after tea, we have coffee. How about this one? What is this?
Milk.
Wine.
Okay, it's a wine. So now let's practice. Tell your tutor what you see in each picture. Are you ready, baby Min?
Yes.
Okay, so what is this?
It is coffee.
All right, it is coffee. Very good. How about this one?
It is tour.
Okay, toast.
Those.
Okay, do you like toast?
No.
You like toasted bread?
Yes.
Okay. All right, next, how about this one? What is this? Okay, wait, baby. How about this one? What is this?
It is rice.
Okay, it is rice. Okay, so now, how about this one?
Mm,
Vegetable?
it
Ito
is
sa ref, ah. It is, kasa daw nga. Sa Lisa.
the
Lagay ko na ba? It is,
it is
it is, a veg.
vegetable.
Okay, it's vegetables. Hatag Nicole. How how about this one? Sus,
It
nangagbong Marcos, punita.
it
Punitaton ko
is
dire. Kuha na ninyo, palabay. Okay, how about that one? Punita, labay. It is, ano ko
is
magtanaw sa lihok, good. It is,
mm,
okay, what is that, baby? It is,
uh
labay na, wine.
why
Napanagbo mo sa. Okay, it's a wine, okay? Na
okay.
yellow. Okay, how about this one?
Salad.
Okay, salad. Do you like to eat salad? So, this a ref, oh.
Yeah, yes. I like salad.
Okay. Okay, so now exercise 2, vocabulary. Listen and repeat these words with your tutor. So first, let's say breakfast,
Breakfast.
lunch.
Lunch.
Okay, once again, lunch,
Lunch.
dinner,
Dinner.
snack.
Snack.
Okay, so complete the sentences by filling in the blanks. For example, I have toast for breakfast. Okay, so what's your answer? What's the answer for number one, baby?
I have toast for breakfast.
Number two,
I have fruits as a uh
I have
uh,
fruit as a,
office.
no, I have fruit as a,
Morning.
okay, once again, let's say it. Breakfast,
breakfast,
lunch,
lunch,
dinner,
dinner,
snack.
now,
Okay, so number 1, I have toast for.
breakfast.
Number 2 is no.
I have fruit as a snack.
Okay, I have fruit as a snack. How about number 3?
I have salad for dinner.
Oh, okay, okay. Wait for me, baby Min. I'll just get some water. Wait for me, okay? Ayan.
No, 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 no.
All right. Okay, so now next we have, oh, what happened? So number 3, what is that, baby?
Mm, I have rice and vegetable
For,
for dinner.
okay, how about oh, so we are done. So we have lunch, snack. Oh, how about for breakfast? Breakfast is not here. Okay, okay. Oh, breakfast is not the first one. Okay, got it? So now exercise 3, dialogue. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor. You are going to be Ling, okay?
Okay.
All right, ready? Yeah? Oh. Oh, sorry. So what do you have for breakfast?
I have toast and orange juice. How about you?
I have cereal and coffee.
Do you have fruits as a snack?
No, I don't have a snack. What do you have as a snack?
I have fruit.
Uh-huh. What do you have for lunch?
I have rice and salad.
What do you have for dinner?
I have fish and vegetable.
Vegetables. Do you have wine?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now let's proceed with exercise number 4. Oh, what happened to your light? Exercise number 4, matching. Tell your tutor the correct answer to each question. Are you ready, baby me?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. What do you have for breakfast?
I have rice.
Okay, do you have salad for lunch?
Yes. I uh yes, I do.
Number 3, what does she have as a snack?
She has sandwich as a snack.
Okay, what's your answer, baby?
She have
Uh,
sandwich.
all right. She has. It's letter C because the question is already asked. So it doesn't say that the question is have. So we have to say has. Number 4. What do you have for lunch?
I have salad for lunch.
Okay. What do you have for dinner?
I don't have dinner.
Oh, do you have wine for lunch?
No, I do.
No, I.
Don't.
Okay, what's your answer? No.
I don't.
All right, it's no, I don't. Okay, so now exercise 5. Fill in the blanks. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor. And you are going to be Yoon Woo, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you have for breakfast?
I have cereal and
Uh,
orange juice.
Okay. Do you have coffee?
No, I don't. How about you? Do you have coffee for breakfast?
Yes, I do. I do. I have coffee and fruit.
What do you have for lunch?
I have salad. What do you have for lunch?
I have rice and vegetable for lunch.
Okay. What do you have for dinner?
I have rice, vegetable, and fish for dinner.
Okay, all right. So now let's have this one. Exercise 6, ordering. Put the words into the correct order. For example, coffee for breakfast I have. I have coffee for breakfast. So number one, what is the answer number one, baby?
I have coffee for breakfast.
Okay, number two.
Uh, what do you have for lunch?
Okay, number three.
I have as a fruit, fruit snack.
Okay, number four.
I don't have wine.
Number five.
She have she have doesn't she doesn't have tea or
Uh-huh.
coffee for
Uh,
breakfast.
okay, she doesn't have a tea or coffee for breakfast. Okay, how about number six?
Was was he have was the he have was
Okay, number six is
was he has those as a snack?
okay. Okay, what was that again? What does
Was the
she have?
he have as a snack?
Okay, number seven.
He has fallen.
Okay, he has salad for lunch. Number eight.
Do you have cereal for breakfast?
Okay, all right. So thank you so much, baby. So now, exercise 7, your turn to ask. So ask your tutor these questions. So you are going to ask me these questions, baby. Then I will answer. Later on, after that, I will be asking you the same questions, okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you read number one first?
What do you have for breakfast?
I had an egg and rice for breakfast.
What do you have for lunch?
I had some soup and noodles for lunch.
What does your what do you have for dinner?
I have some chicken for dinner.
What do you have as a snack?
I had a cookies as a snack. Okay, so now baby, exercise 8, your turn to answer, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, what do you have for breakfast?
I have bread and noodles.
Okay, so what do you have for lunch?
I have rice,
Rice
salad,
and
salad and meat.
okay, how about number three? Si Tirisin, butang dong si Tirisin. Number three,
I have rice, meat, salad,
Ang
fish,
bitong pang-ana ani be.
and soup.
Nasa salupin. Okay, number 3. What do you have for dinner?
I have
Limpyo
for
na.
dinner
Tubig
is
be.
rice.
What do you have for snack?
I have snack
Okay, what did you eat for snack, baby? Kuwasa daw nga.
is
Kapit na. What do you have for snack?
is
Baka pa yung baso. Okay, what do you have for snack?
cookie.
Mayabo. What's that, cookies?
Yes.
Oh, we're the same. All right, so now, baby, since we are done with this lesson, let's now proceed, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we have here lesson 33. So the lesson 33 will be all about how do you get to work. So, learning objectives. So in this lesson, you will learn how to talk about transport and time. Okay, so since you are not yet working, baby Min, how about you? How do you get to school?
Uh, I go school is car.
How do you get to school? Oh, by a car?
Yes.
Wow, that's so nice. Okay, so now exercise 1 warm up. Listen and repeat these words and sentences with your tutor. Number 1, we have drive a car.
Drive a car.
Number 2, what is number 2, baby?
Take a bus.
Okay, take a bus. Number 3,
Take a ferry.
okay, take a ferry. Number 4,
Walk.
okay, walk. Number 5,
Ride a bicycle.
ride a bicycle. Number 6,
Take a taxi.
take a taxi. Number 7,
Take a train.
all right. Okay, so now, baby Min, do you have a bicycle?
Yes.
How many bicycle do you have?
Uh, it's Saturday
No,
and
no, no.
Sunday.
How many, baby? How many bicycle do you have?
Is many.
Many? Wow, why do
Uh,
you have many
is a
bicycles?
one.
Ah, okay, only one bicycle. So what is the color of your bicycle?
Is a black and
Black?
orange
Okay, black and
and
orange.
red.
Oh, and red. So when was the last time you ride your bicycle, baby? Again, when
Is
was the last time you ride your bicycle?
is Saturday and
Oh,
Sunday.
last Saturday? Where did you go?
Is play friend.
Oh, you play with your friends. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay, did you enjoy riding your bike?
No.
Oh, no, you did not enjoy riding your bike. Why?
Yes.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. All right, so now, baby, since we don't have much enough time, we on
Oh,
we don't
oh,
have. Hello, can you hear me?
no.
All right, so baby, since we don't have enough time. Oh, what happened to my camera? Oh, it's here. So goodbye for today, baby Mian. Thank you so much for listening to teacher. See you again next class. Bye bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.